How to fix Google Meet screen share not working. First, you want to simply open the Google Meet application, and inside the Google Meet you want to simply join in your meeting over here. After that, you want to simply tap on three dots over here at the bottom of your screen, and by doing so you'll be able to find the screen share option over here. After that, you want to simply toggle this option on and tap on continue, and by doing so you'll be able to share your screen on the Meet application. However, if you're not being able to do that, what you basically want to do is you want to simply come back from the app completely, tap and hold onto your Meet app and go to app info. After that, you want to simply scroll down and tap on display over other apps option over here, and if you have these options turned off, you want to simply turn this option on, and by doing so you shouldn't be having any kinds of issues while screen sharing. However, if you do, what you basically want to do is you want to simply restart your device once and open the app again, and that should fix your problem. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.